What's up guys, I'm Kapi Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Chili chicken is a real deal among all the Indo-Chinese dishes. Growing up in a Chinese family and was exposed to different Indian food, I can vouch that chili chicken is neither the authentic taste of Indian nor Chinese food. I was surprised by the taste after my first bite. It has a sweet and savory flavor, crispy on the outside, but my palate is permeated with the taste of green chili. I'll cook the chili chicken, my interpretation in this video. Let's get into the details right now. The first step is to marinate the chicken. Place the chicken meat in a mixing bowl and add the following ingredients: salt, ground black pepper, light soy sauce, minced ginger and garlic, cornstarch, and some vegetable oil. Massage all the ingredients to coat the chicken meat thoroughly. Then keep it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to marinate. Remove it from the refrigerator, add half an egg white to the chicken and mix well. Next, add 1 large tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 large tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Set aside for a few minutes to let the chicken absorb the flour and starch. Step 2. Deep fry the chicken. Heat some vegetable oil in a pan to medium heat. Place the chicken meat into the hot oil one by one. Stir occasionally to avoid them from sticking together. And try not to overcrowd the pan. When the color changes, increase the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius, that is high heat, and deep fry until golden. Then remove and drain on paper towel. Step 3. Prepare the sauce and vegetables. Heat some vegetable oil in the wok, and then saute the ginger, garlic. Keep the heat low to moderate as the garlic can burn quickly. And white section of the scallion until aromatic. Once they turn aromatic, add the onion. Green chili sections, and continue stir frying for half a minute. Next, include the bell peppers. Now constitute the gravy by adding chili sauce, tomato ketchup, vinegar, and Kashmiri chili powder. You may want to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water if it is too dry. Add some cornstarch slurry to thicken the gravy. If you like more gravy, just add more water. I add minimum water to make a drier and more savory intense chili chicken. Now it comes to the final step, to combine the chicken and the vegetables. Return the deep fried chicken to the wok, turn off the heat, and coat the chicken with the thick gravy. Transfer the chicken to a serving plate and sprinkle with some green section of the scallion to garnish before serving. That's how to prepare this Indo-Chinese chili chicken. If you like this video, please subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. There are many other Asian recipes on this channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now!